ADACS system is an important technology because it detects electrical currents or arcs that are caused when an electrical current overcharges in the ship of a naval combatant. And the ADACS system proactively detects that and shuts it down before catastrophic damage or even loss of life can occur. The arcing is an electrical current overload, and when that occurs, it will melt and cause combustion within the electronics of the system in the ship. It'll cause catastrophic damage within the circuitry itself. It can also cause an explosion that can damage the hardware and the outer part of the ship also. It can also cause catastrophic loss of life if there is an individual in the engine room when this occurs. Right now it is installed at the time of shipbuilding. However, you could retrofit it into a system. It is capable of doing that, and it can be forward fit into ships as well. The ADACS system is unique because it's ruggedized for the environment that is required for the ships, and it's also a proactive system. So it doesn't just detect an arc fault and signal, it detects the arc fault and shuts the system down, which prevents that catastrophic damage. Other systems on the market right now are mostly commercial that aren't as ruggedized, and they'll just notify you that the incident occurred. It won't proactively shut your entire system down in the way that the ADACS system does. We believe that this technology is useful for any electronics in the U.S. Navy, in our allied navies around the world. We maintain the system and ensure that there's continued support of Navy software and requirements.